Alright, so a lot of y'all ask me, how do y'all cook while being over the road truck drivers? Well, let me show you. First, I hit it with the cowboy butter. Next, you want to hit it with the roasted garlic and herb. That right there's the main key. Messing with me. Don't forget, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't season. I don't give a fuck. The last thing I added is some miced onions. Can't go wrong with shit. I don't put too much on there though. That's about it. Then you want to go ahead and do it on the other side. After you season that bad boy up, you want to hit it with some, what's it called, some of that garlic and herb butter. Then you just use your air fryer and put it in there. While we wait on the steak, we're gonna go ahead and get the asparagus ready. My final touch, and yes, I like mushrooms on my steak.